Oh my gosh, what happened to your iPad you said, sir?
So me and my cousin were playing Roblox and she got mad because she lost the game and then she threw my iPad. Can you fix it for me, please?
Don't worry, I got you.
In nomine Patris et Filii et
Your iPad is ready, sir. Now it's good to go. Look at that. Here we go.
Thank you for fixing my iPad.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get lit up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last.